You use money every single day. But what if I told you that dollar bill in your wallet is crawling with thousands of organisms you absolutely do not want to know about? I decided to put cash under a microscope, and what I found will genuinely shock you. First, let's get one thing straight. Paper money isn't really paper. It's a blend of cotton and linen fibers, which creates this perfect, textured surface for all sorts of microscopic things to grab onto and hide in. And think about it. You might wipe down your phone or your keys. But when was the last time you actually cleaned your cash? Probably never, right? I started this experiment with bills from 3 different places. One fresh from the bank, one I got as change from a local grocery store, and one from a busy street vendor. I put the clean bank bill under the microscope first. At 100 times magnification, even this one had a surprising amount of stuff on it. You could see the cotton fibers, sure, but they were covered in what looked like dust, dead skin cells, and yep, little clusters of bacteria. But the bill from the street vendor, that was on a whole other level. It was absolutely disturbing. At 400 times magnification, I could see entire colonies of bacteria just thriving in the grooves between the fibers. Coli, staph bacteria, and even traces of fecal matter. Yes, you heard me right. Here's where it gets even crazier. The average dollar bill is handled by over 50 different people before it's finally taken out of circulation. Every single person who touches it transfers their own unique cocktail of bacteria, viruses, and fungi onto that surface. During flu season, cash basically becomes a superhighway for spreading germs. I also checked out some coins, and surprisingly, they were a bit cleaner than the paper money. Why? Well, metals like copper and silver actually have natural antimicrobial properties that can kill bacteria over time. But don't get too excited. They're still far from sterile. I saw plenty of trapped dirt and biofilms on them too. Back to the bills. The one from the grocery store showed something really interesting. Crystallized sugar residues, mixed right in with all the bacterial growth. This happens when people handle money right after eating, basically creating a 5-star buffet for microbes to multiply like crazy. Now, I'm not trying to make you panic every time you touch a dollar, but what you absolutely should do is wash your hands after handling money. It's non-negotiable. Those bacteria can hang out on your skin for hours and easily transfer to your face, your food, or anything else you touch. So, what's the solution? Digital payments aren't just convenient, they're genuinely more hygienic. Sure, your phone screen has bacteria too, but at least you're the one in control of what touches it. That cash in your pocket has been everywhere, touched by everyone, and you have no idea what it's been exposed to. After seeing this with my own eyes, I'm definitely thinking twice before handling cash again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this as fascinating and horrifying as I did, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the unseen world around us.